Welcome. In this complete tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a friend on Discord using your Android phone. Whether you're new to Discord or just want to understand how friend requests work, this narration will explain everything in simple terms. From opening the app to seeing your friend in your list. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. If you're not, you'll need to log in using your email, phone, and password. Once you're on the main screen, you'll typically land on the Home tab. This is where you can see your chats and friends. You can click on Messages tab on the left side. Then you can click Add Friends. Now you're on the Friends tab, where you can view your current friend list, pending requests, and search for new friends. On the bottom, you can find suggested friends from your contact. Click the Add Friends button if you want to make them Discord friends. Besides that, you can add friends by adding via username. Just type the username, then click Send Friend Request. Once the request is sent, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, just wait for your friend to accept the request. You can check the status by tapping on the Pending tab in the Friends section. This shows all the friend requests you've sent. As soon as they accept, their name will appear in your all or online friend list, and you can start chatting. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add a friend on Discord using your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.